Hello, this is Elaine, and I'm going to show you this Panda Party card using the Party Pandas celebration stamp set that you can get for free when you purchase $50 US in merchandise. So here's my little panda. So I'm gonna start by stamping the panda on a 2.5-inch circle with the archival black ink. And then I'm going to color in his little hat with the blends. I'm gonna put him aside. And I have the base of my card. This is the Bubbles and Fizz Designer Series paper that is also free, a celebration item with a $50 purchase. So I'm just going to adhere those together. You can do whichever side you want. That's the fun of having these double-sided papers. So I'll just put that about over here because I want to be able to stamp my happy birthday in this corner. Get that to fit right in there. And then I'm going to tie some twine around the top and then tie a knot in a little bow. I know some people don't like tying bows, but they're super cute and there's many tricks to tying bows. So I always tie a knot first to just hold it in place. But some people do the bunny ears and then tie a knot, and they find that helpful. And then you can just trim up any excess and adjust your bow as you like it. So I'll just trim that off. And then I'll just adhere this to the base of the card. So there we have our base of the card, and we have our little party panda, and he is colored with the Bermuda Bay and Calypso Coral blends and popped up on dimensionals. And then you get the finished card. The Party Pandas is such a fun stamp set to use. So please go to my website, eStampin.com, to purchase your merchandise and get the Party Pandas stamp set and or the Bubbles and Fizz Designer Series paper for free. Thanks for watching.